Hi, so I have my Remington R3 here, and I'm going to show you how to take out the blades and replace them. So you just pop this out. So keep in mind, this Remington R3 is not fully waterproof, so you really do want to wash it by turning it upside down so that the water does not enter in any of the motor or mechanism, because it is not rated to be fully submersible. So first thing you want to notice is that there's that triangle up there, and you could see that there's a notch. So what you do is you simply just push it down, and you notice that this lodges. So let me do that again. So to push it back up and lock it, you simply lock it in the middle here, so you could see that triangle. I'm going to push it up like that, and it clicks and it locks. Give you another angle, and to unlock it, you push it down, and you just simply pop out this blue fastener like so. And keep in mind, this is the arrangement and the top, so you could tell here by the middle and also by the bottom here. So the bottom here is how you align it, and once you do that, you loosen out the blades, and the colors themselves don't matter all that much. So this is blue, black, and gray, but it allows you to at least identify. You could see there's some grease in the middle here. So if I shade out the lighting, you can see there's a little bit of grease in the middle. And the way the blades work, like so, zooming in, and you take out each and every blade. Now you do want to turn it on here to make sure that these actually do run. So I want to double check and make sure all three are actually spinning. Now one thing I do use is I do use a toothbrush to get some of the inner aspects of the dirt and dead skin and grime loosened up here. And if I zoom in right there, and keep in mind that this isn't flat. It does angle nicely like that, so keep that in mind as you're cleaning it. Once again, using a toothbrush. But when you put these back in, and I will have links in the description area to actually buy these, where you can buy new blades here, like so. And you can see this is color coded, that's blue, and it might have to do with the angle at which each blade is aligned. So once I simply put these back in after I've cleaned it or replaced them, the black to the black, gray to the gray, blue to the blue, like so. And making sure it's centered, just tapping it a little bit. And keep in mind that this bottom piece is the bottom. That middle piece is where it hooks in. So just zooming in here, placing this down and around like so, and pushing it up. So give you a better angle here, me pushing this up while putting it down, and it clicks back in. And there you go. Now cleaning this, once again, you want to face it down so that the water drains to the bottom and not to the motor itself. So you just don't want to take that risk, because once water infiltrates the electrical gears and aspects, it might not work again. So there you go. That is how you basically replace the blades, and I hope this helped. And please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.